Hi everyone, welcome back to GreyBead Media. Saturday the 20th of April 2024, back at Anfield Road. It's a nice day for flying. We are going to fly. Fan park, doors are open. Doing your round. Both skips full of scrap. The entrance is looking really good now. And the blue cherry picker is on the other shoulder there. We're going to check in on that corner. Now the TV platform is down. Extra steel has gone in. We're going to check on that also. Without further ado, if you like what you see, click like, share, subscribe. Let's get the drone up. And welcome back everyone. We are airborne. We're going to go to the right this time. Start there. I think the reason the cherry picker is on this shoulder is this region, so I'm going to drop down. Zoom in. And as you can see there, just at the top, the strips, I think they're going to be finishing off that in the next few days, maybe probably next week. That's the only thing I can see that needs doing on the shoulder, so that's why I think the blue cherry picker is there. So I'll zoom back out. Just looking on the top of the stand. Just wonder what those materials were. No big. There's a little bit more to be done there also. It's all the way down the shoulder pretty much. No, up to about there. Quite a busy packed car park, but obviously they're not going to be workers. I think it's just a very small team on today. There's two small platforms by the entrance, as you might have saw on the intro, but there's just nobody around. I think it's just work ongoing inside. But we'll end the video on that corner. I think there has been some strips added. Correct me if I'm wrong. On the top there, where that gap was all the way down, I think they've just stripped all the way to the end there, and then they've got to carry on with that section on that shoulder too, which is not much, about half of it, and it's done. Underneath looks pretty neat now and complete. Just gonna have a look at those forever stones. I don't think the two new ones are in place yet. I can't drop the drone down because the workers' entrance is open, but yeah. This one will be Joe Fagan, and this one will be Gerard Houllier. We'll keep an eye out for that in the next few days. I'll try and get out later to do a special video for a viewer. I'll try to, but I can't promise. This is the only chance I've got to get out really, but I can't really do it now because it's an active site. Workers' entrance is open, so I can't really drop the drone down. Unfortunately, on this side, still a little bits of work to be done. Above both windows there. I'm not even sure what that room's going to be, because there's always been junk and stuff in there, but it looks clear now, so perhaps that's done as well. All the strips look fully complete on this side, don't they? All the way around, which is really good. I'm still not certain about that. I mean, it looks better than what was there before, but personally, I would have had the slabs both sides and just the tarmac down the middle. But yeah, I'm not knocking it. It looks great, but I just thought it would look better matching up with the gate staying there. Personally, I think something should have been better done with it. It all matches up with the pattern of the slabs and the block paving, but it just looks strange now standing on its own. There's something I miss about it. I mean, I like the way it looks, yeah, but there's just something I miss about it all. We're going to climb and we're going to have a look. Over the pitch and have a look in that corner. About 93 metres up. It's just no wind. The last few days has just been a nightmare for drone pilots. Wind every single day. The only time the wind dropped was at night time, and that's pretty pointless for all this lot. So with the TV platform gone, or should I say the camera platform, just want to see where I am over the pitch. I'll go forward a little bit more and then start dropping about there. Don't go too low, otherwise I'm going to start getting signal warnings. So there are guys working on there by the looks of it. There's a little scaffolding tower up towards that steel. And something right in the corner. Is that like a little step ladders or something? Can't really zoom in anymore. There's got to be more seats then, surely. It's going to be OTT over top if that's just for another new camera platform. That's got to be more seats. Might as well make the most of it, the space they've got, I suppose. But there's quite a bit of steel gone in there, though. That looks like is that a camera right on the end on that one beam? Could be. And that red screen's still there. All the way. Still like cladding to be done at the end there, isn't it? So yeah. That's going to be ongoing well into next week as well, isn't it? But I'll be back Wednesday morning to have a look. I'll zoom back out. Scroll up. There's Goodison in the background, and the reason why I've done that is my next match day vlog. The Merseyside derby. Liverpool, short journey across the park. I'll be there for a match day build-up vlog. I'm in two minds whether to do the bus welcome because I'm going to be surrounded by blues, and I'm covered in Liverpool tattoos, so I'm not sure whether to do that part. But
max altitude reached.
See how I go. But I'll definitely be there Wednesday night. Let's have a quick look in that compound. Start dropping the drone down a bit. They've got two cherry pickers and that blue platform parked away. Just having a look what materials they've got in there. I was looking for tier sections for the corner, the small one, just an inkling. It's got all sorts there, isn't it, really? Turn the camera around towards Anfield's. It is very quiet, so just all the work's going on the inside today. So we're going to wrap that up. If you like what you click like, share, subscribe. I will be back Wednesday. I'm off for a couple of days there. Have a look where we're up to then. Please click like, share, subscribe. Be really grateful. And catch you for the next one. Wherever you are in the world, take care. Bye for now.